Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ka sorkar jelah ne kesngi kalalum ya baro kiseng san pertai banyak tai halor kejingnya penbet ke jaka baya kajia kaput bat ke jela Asam habai kran bat presiden keseng BJP uba Ernest Maury ulong ba ke jela ke penkre ya kejing rakhe ya kejing dap san post nam kajongka bat kejing penbet ke kaput kilong ki badon kam shu ulong ru ba nakaliang keseng BJP Kelasimi kilat kilenti ro banyakren bat menteri rangba sorkar Asam habai dei bat kani. Ula ai kejingero ek sorkar MDA namar kani sorkar kelasimi kilat kilenti banyak penbet ya kani kejingya kerja kaput kabalane laslemba hanrei ngikermen bada kani kilenti kinla banyak penbet no kloy. Nagliang presiden ka HSPDP uba KP Pangyang ulaong bagaseng kala perta Laslem bah habai day bat kikam kaput ula berabru da kebaong bangis ngaungu yak sorkar MDA kabala penya chaprang menta lakum balai benaitam ban penbet yau put usam bat kajela Asam ula berabru da kebaong ba nakaliang kejongu ula bu yak kejingkeli habai day bat kinriu teli kiwaipat kijaka kiba kamjuat kiba nakaliang kini ki artli ki sorkar kimpat chem ya karai Henry kilapan pau baya kini ki Henry uteli ki weipat ki jaka marsun yadap banya penbet ya kini ki Henry uteli ki bamenta marmar kin sashim ya kilat kelenti banya penbet habai dei bat kini ru bat katong kalong ban pendep ya baro khadar teli ki jaka ki baya kajia kaput bat ke sorkar Asam hapo kani ke jingpet jong ke sorkar MDA habai keren bat ujenra sekretari ke PDF uba auspicious lengdo ulaong banak liang jong kaseng kala kentu ya ke sorkar ban shimru ya ke jing ai jingmot jong kishnong kitau bat kinong senchar hima habai dei bat ke jing penbet ya uput usam.
What were your suggestions to the government?
Since we are going to celebrate 50 years of our statehood, so this is the right time to resolve this boundary dispute between two states. That is our message from the party.
As a party, will you take up personally with the Chief Minister?
Of course, before the government take this initiative, from the party side also, I have already stated in the press that we are going to meet the Assam CM to discuss with these long pending issues.
When will you meet him?
We have already met him.
What is his response?
Yeah, so many technical part to be discussed. Like you have seen, even the government also have taken initiative. We are going in that line. The chairmanship of our honorable CM, Conrad. So all the political party present in the meeting, they have given their own view, and we also from the BJP, we have given our view, and we are very much appreciate with the initiative taken by the government, since this interstate boundary dispute is a long pending issue. It has become the political issue. But we hope this time we could resolve this problem of this interstate boundary dispute between Assam and Meghalaya.
Nakaliang ka HSPDP kumapitip bagani ka kampur kamsam ka day ka bangila kam perta selalat bun slam mereka mengi bat barok ki stakeholders tenrai kum ka parti ka babu akmat ini isu ni penpau ya kajis ngau ngu ya chief minister Conrad Sangma bat ya gane ka MDA government ka team juga berwei ba penia sekrang telah kumbal live night tap ya kajing penbait ya upur usah hapring Meghalaya berasa te ke wasna kalong bakis really ki sector kilala ban trekam bat kilala ro ban submit ya ka report jongki atli district West Khasil district regional committee bat jongkari district regional committee de dak yitelang lepa na try bat ki no charima bat ki political parties bat ki seng halang ki bo lang ni te ngangai bagani government ka bashim mentan nei kali ka step ko ben tham but baro ki stakeholders ki badan bentah ni layu bentah kab arpat mentar sing ye kren ba lekum no ye kini ki rutuli ki weipat ki sector ki kham ngalam no kham juak ni lam no tundai nga sutnat meneba hanga habang raise ka ni ngale ka party natip ya kata lanu ka step ka ba teri ong ba ya ni ka ba aru mariadep ka ni ka first phase ka ba kin settle kin le kloilan ya ni ka sektor ritli ka sa but ka commitment juga government juga kalong pa kan thau sedu ki kharat li ka ja dei ban pendep hi hapo ba juga thong jongki tang ban mar ba ka bun e ka kam ka ba khya hani ka don te ngi le shwa first phase then second phase nang ta par ka don so ka wi ka ba kum ba ja hapo tarabri sektor ha kisang sektor yung ka west hills ba kadon gani ka jingya kadon ka tense situation mo jing yakhi jongki pai bang snong na mar ba kidon de khndiat ki ba wa sha sam kadon bu tu ba bun ki om ban seme kala bo pi ki report ki media te nagalia ka sam kala khamlong aggressive khndiat ba kala bu de ki police force ku po Salbari hapo Jaipur hapo Huapra bar hapo gohne mara malang area mo te yagani ru ila inform seka tim tu sorkar te sorkar ko ambai yagani ila inform seki counterpart tu Assam dan baki deputy commissioner district administration baki kidom don kata kajing penmi yaga long no mo ka insecurity Right, peace and tranquility should be maintained peacefully, amicably. Nang bag pai ba in lon kecing suskem bat komdon attention ting chungki.
Habai di ka gani ka jungilang ka ba hidang long manta ka janmir. Ka bai di bat ka boundary dispute ting chungka jala Meghalaya ka chungi bat jala Assam. Isukman shibun e ba nang ka chung sarkar ka convene ya ka meeting jong baroki political party jong state. Dia habai di berkini meeting ru ngimyo bani kran shibun ke namar ba ya report jong ki regional committee sadu menta 48 disclose apa ka meeting ti kalong ko ba ki political party ban kamen ha ba dei berkini ka benta tin rei kawing iskwa ban pau ban keleng jong ka party hi ni don ban ka sarkar bat ki ba ni don ki jingmut ki jongi ki jingtep ki jongi bat ki lese ki lat jing rap kat ki bangila na ka party ka jongi ngin support ban ngin ai ka jing ka ketika yang jongi ban sarkar ya ka bangin penolong ya kini ka isu kepala salah selamba te nak yang jongi ka party du tak kawai kamat ka bangi bo ha ketika jing keren ka lomba de ban shem ya ka jing persau nak yang jongi snong ki hima hi namar pa ni shem ba ki kam tep kam ha ya ka jing long man jongi de ki jaka bat katahi try kan de kalenti ka ba kaban kam pensuk sibon ya ka sarkar ya ka ba ngin la ban de market ya boundary jong ka jala ka jongi